Cars you can drive for 10 hours without feeling tired. Have you ever finished a long drive and felt completely exhausted even though the road wasn't that bad? Back pain, stiff legs, tired eyes. Sometimes the problem isn't the distance, it's the car. And most people only realize this after they buy the wrong one. In this video, we're gonna break down the cars you can drive for 10 hours straight without feeling tired. Not the fastest cars, not the most expensive ones, but the cars that are built to reduce fatigue, keep you comfortable, and help you arrive feeling relaxed instead of drained. If you're planning long road trips, frequent highway driving, or simply want a car that doesn't wear you out over time, this video is for you. If you enjoy practical car content focused on real driving comfort, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Now let's talk about why choosing the right car for long drives actually matters. Why choosing the right car is important. Long-distance driving puts constant stress on your body. Your back, neck, legs, and even your mental focus are working non-stop for hours. We've all experienced that moment. You stop for fuel after just 3 hours, step out of the car, and your body already feels older than when you started. The wrong car can make a 3-hour drive feel unbearable. The right car can make a 10-hour journey feel surprisingly easy. And fatigue isn't just about comfort. It affects your reaction time, your focus on the road, your safety, and how you feel when you arrive at your destination. That's why long-distance comfort is one of the most underrated, yet most important factors when choosing a car. Key factors that reduce driving fatigue: seating, comfort, and driving position. A good seat supports your lower back, keeps your posture natural, and reduces pressure on your legs. Cars with adjustable seating positions, proper lumbar support, and relaxed steering angles make a massive difference over long hours. Suspension and ride quality. A smooth suspension absorbs road imperfections instead of transferring them directly to your body. Cars that constantly shake or bounce may feel fine in the city, but over long distances they quietly drain your energy. Cabin noise and isolation. Wind noise, road noise, and engine vibration are silent fatigue killers. The quieter the cabin, the less mentally exhausting the drive feels, especially on highways. Interior space and ergonomics. More legroom, wider seats, and a breathable cabin reduce physical tension. Cramped interiors force your body into unnatural positions for hours. Driving assistance and stability. Stable highway behavior, balanced steering, and driver assist features reduce stress and keep you relaxed behind the wheel. Gasoline, diesel, hybrid, or electric. Which one feels less tiring? When it comes to long-distance driving, the type of engine matters more than most people think. Gasoline cars are generally smooth and quiet, especially at higher speeds. They offer balanced performance and predictable behavior, making them a comfortable and familiar choice for long highway drives. Diesel cars shine when it comes to steady cruising. Their strong low-end torque allows the engine to work with less effort at highway speeds, which can reduce fatigue on very long trips. However, if cabin insulation isn't well designed, vibration and noise can become tiring over time. Hybrid cars combine the best of both worlds. They feel especially relaxing in mixed driving conditions, offering quiet electric operation at lower speeds and smooth gasoline power on highways. The seamless power delivery reduces mental stress and makes long drives feel more effortless. Electric cars are the quietest of all. With instant torque, no gear changes, and almost zero vibration, EVs create a calm driving environment that significantly reduces fatigue. However, range planning and charging stops can add mental pressure on very long journeys, depending on infrastructure. That's why two cars with similar power can feel completely different after 10 hours on the road. Now, let's look at specific cars across different engine type that are built for long drives without fatigue. Cars you can drive for 10 hours without feeling tired. Toyota Camry. The Toyota Camry is often underestimated, but it's one of the most fatigue-friendly cars ever built. Its seats are designed for long hours behind the wheel, offering proper lumbar support and a naturally relaxed driving posture. You don't constantly shift your weight or stretch your back. Your body simply settles in. The suspension is tuned for comfort rather than sportiness, meaning road imperfections are absorbed smoothly instead of being transferred to the driver. Combined with a quiet cabin and excellent reliability, the Camry makes long highway drives feel effortless effortless and predictable. Honda Accord. The Honda Accord stands out for its natural ergonomics and spacious interior. Everything feels exactly where it should be, reducing unnecessary movement and tension while driving. Its seats provide strong thigh support, which becomes incredibly important during long, uninterrupted highway stretches. The Accord's stable highway behavior allows the driver to stay relaxed without constantly correcting the steering, a small detail that makes a huge difference over time. Volkswagen Passat. The Passat was designed with long-distance European driving in mind, and it shows. Its upright seating position and wide seat cushions make it easy to maintain a comfortable posture for hours. The suspension focuses on smoothness, helping reduce vibration and subtle road fatigue. On the highway, the Passat feels calm and composed, creating a mentally relaxing driving experience even after many hours behind the wheel. Volvo S90/XC60. Volvo is famous for seat comfort, and for good reason. The seats are shaped to evenly distribute body weight, reducing pressure points that normally build up over time. Excellent cabin insulation keeps outside noise to a minimum, allowing your mind to stay focused and relaxed. Combined with strong safety systems and stable road behavior, Volvo vehicles help drivers stay confident and comfortable deep into long journeys. Mercedes-Benz E-Class. The E-Class is built for effortless long-distance driving. Its suspension is designed to glide over the road, minimizing vibration and harshness. The seats offer premium cushioning and advanced adjustability, allowing drivers to fine-tune their position perfectly. After hours of driving, you realize you're still breathing normally. Not tense, not rushed. That's what true long-distance comfort feels like. Subaru Outback. The Subaru Outback is ideal for drivers who cover long distances across varied road conditions. Its upright seating position improves visibility and reduces strain on the neck and back. The ride quality remains smooth and forgiving, even on uneven roads. Thanks to its stable handling and relaxed driving character, the Outback helps drivers stay comfortable, confident, and alert for long hours. Cars to avoid for long drives. Not every car is designed for endurance driving. Small city cars with stiff suspensions and limited interior space. Sport-oriented cars with firm seats and aggressive driving positions. Compact models with poor noise insulation. Older vehicles lacking modern comfort and stability features. These cars don't feel uncomfortable immediately. They slowly drain you without you noticing. The best long-distance car isn't the one with the most horsepower. It's the one that lets you arrive calm, focused, and comfortable, even after 10 hours on the road. If you're planning road trips or spend a lot of time on highways, choosing the right car can completely change how driving feels. Let us know in the comments, which car surprised you the most on this list, and which one do you think doesn't belong here at all? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more practical car content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.